When using a Windows machine and you want to download Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader, the free version, first click on your browser. Here I have Internet Explorer. I also have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go ahead and click on Microsoft Edge because some people use this on a Mac. The first thing I do is go up to the top and type in the program that you're looking for, which is Adobe Acrobat Free Reader. You want to make sure that you select a free downloadable version. So the best thing to do is to look for something that has a download straight from Adobe. And so I find it down here and click on it. It's going to take you to that page for the download. Many times you'll see an optional offer, but just keep in mind that all you need is the free Acrobat Reader. So that would be this version right here, the middle version. Click on that to begin the download. The progress bar here indicates where you are on your download. This is going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause. You should be getting a message at the bottom of your screen. It says, what do you want to do with Reader DC? Do you want to run it or save it? Well, you want to save it. And then you want to either go to View Downloads or open the folder where it was saved. Once you locate the download file, go ahead and double click that to install it. And the install wizard should pop up just like this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If you press no, it exits you out of there. So you want to go ahead, double click, and select yes. So a lot of times, one of the things I didn't do is you can click on the kind of install that you want, whether you want the standard install or the customization. This is my dog. She's paying attention to this. When the product completes installation, you'll get this window. You can go ahead and click on Finish. And it will start up the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. And so now you can make it your default reader for PDFs. And once again, PDF is a file format for documents. Now that you have this installed in your computer, you can open, edit, fill, and sign PDFs.